As the largest city in the Mekong Delta, Kanta was built around its water-based deltaic landscape. However, this culture that has traditionally lived with water is being increasingly disconnected from it. What if we were to reconnect the movement and flows of the urban hydrological cycle to the city of Kanta and its people?
The city is growing very fast. Population, the heart of the industrial and services.
In recent years, Kanta City, with backing from the World Bank, has dealt with flooding by channelizing canals and creating hard-edged holding basins. This, combined with a lost network of canals, has essentially created a series of tubs which do not allow for the natural flow of water. During the rainy season, from May to November, Kanta is flooded twice a day. This flooding is due to high tides combined with river discharge, as well as high rain volumes from the monsoon season.
Xài nước sông, nhưng mà do ảnh hưởng mấy cái xí nghiệp đổ trong này nó thả chất thải ở đó thì cá chết rồi này kia cái nọ, rồi nó ô nhiễm môi trường, nó không sạch, rồi với lại cái thứ hai nữa là súc vật rồi chết đó, rồi rác rơi vứt bừa bãi từ đó.
The scale of this problem requires a citywide strategy. Reflow Kanta is a proposition to use the existing city fabric to address current and future urban stresses. In order to allow water to move more easily through the city, Reflow will utilize existing roads to create a network of spillways throughout the urbanized core. To allow for safer interaction with the urban waterways, Reflow will completely remove the sewage discharge from the canals through a distributed system of constructed wetlands. In the existing system, untreated sewage flows directly into the canals. By introducing recharge parks with biofiltration and rerouting the city sewage network, we can not only clean the waste, but also recharge depleted aquifers, reducing subsidence. By greening streetscapes and canal edges, more of the excess water can be displaced back into the ground, and overflow can be taken by low-lying basins. To deal with increasingly regular seasonal flooding, Reflow proposes creating a network of spillways through existing overbuilt 6 to 8 lane roads. During the dry season, the spillways act as a linear greenway, bringing life and activity to the city streets. When the monsoons arrive and the tide rises, the spillways absorb water which would normally flood the surrounding streets. This will allow for water to more easily move through the city and rainwater to be held and released over time. By reconnecting Kanta to its deltaic roots, we can not only reflow hydrological cycles and waste, but reflow people's daily lives, reimagining a lost connection to the water and the surrounding landscape. Reflow can be a model for growth not only for Kanta, but for increasingly urbanized deltaic landscapes around the world.